What's the meaning of commerce? Commerce. Commerce.
Commerce. Commerce. Commerce refers to the activity of buying and selling goods and services, typically on a large scale. It encompasses all aspects of trade, including production, transportation, distribution, marketing, and sales. The result of commerce is the exchange of goods and services between buyers and sellers, leading to economic growth and increased prosperity. In a global economy, commerce plays a crucial role in fostering international trade, promoting competition, driving innovation, and creating new job opportunities. Ultimately, commerce serves as a cornerstone for modern society, facilitating the exchange of goods and services that allow people to live better lives.